How to turn on or turn off keyboard suggest emojis on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and you will see suggest emojis is here. If you want to turn off suggest emojis, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see suggest emojis is turned off. If you want to turn on suggest emojis, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see suggest emojis is turned on. If you want to turn on, you will turn on or turn off suggest emojis from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off keyboard suggest emojis on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.